Welcome back to the studio. Today we're going to be showing you how to install furniture feet using threaded inserts from Osborne Wood Products. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. So we picked up this reclaimed storage tote from a local antique store. We thought it was a really nice piece. It just needed some cleaning. We also noticed that it didn't have any furniture feet on it. So we wanted to go ahead and add a set of our new Jekyll furniture feet. You can find these on our website now along with several other new releases. To do this, we're going to be using our 4815 threaded inserts. Now these are 1.25 inches by a 1/2 inch wide threaded inserts from Osborne Wood Products. I'll leave a link in the description for these as well. This piece did already have inserts installed from the manufacturer, but they're not the right thread. Our hanger bolts from Osborne Wood Products are 5/16, so we needed to pair that with the correct insert so that we could screw those in. Now we went ahead and opted to have our hanger bolts installed. You can choose that service and we can install those for you. As you can see, I went ahead and pulled the fabric back on the bottom of this ottoman. Now we are working with, looks like an MDF type material, but one thing that we want to ensure when we're using reclaimed pieces of furniture like this and kind of renovating them is that we want to make sure we have enough material to work with. We don't want our hanger bolts or our inserts to bust through the inside and mess up our interior storage. I've checked this and I've got about 2 inches of material. That'll leave us enough just to ensure that we can countersink it a little bit so our furniture feet fit flush on the bottom of our piece. In order to ensure I have the proper depth, I'm going to pair up my insert with my drill bit and just add a piece of tape right there so that I make sure that I don't go too far. Now we can go ahead and drill, ensuring that we have proper depth. So now that I have my pilot hole drilled, I can take my threaded insert. Now you want to ensure that the end that is on the bottom is the Allen head side. That way you can lock in to your 5/16 Allen key, and then I'll just take my Allen key and screw that all the way in. All right, so now once I have my threaded insert installed, I can go ahead, take my fabric in place. Then I can just take my furniture feet. First I want to make sure I make a hole through the fabric on my threaded insert. I just use a pencil, kind of poke it through. That way I'm not going to get any fabric in my threads, and screw it in. We will trim the excess fabric off there at the end. All of them are installed in straight. Now I'm just going to take my knife and kind of trim around this fabric here, just get rid of all that excess. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this episode. This is just a really easy way to repurpose some old furniture that you may have laying around, or if you found some at a thrift store near you. Bun feet can go a long way to bring some new life into an old piece. If you're interested in the Jekyll bun feet from Osborne, these are a new release. I'll leave a link in the description below, as well as all of our bun feet, so you can go check those out. See what styles may fit your project. I'll also leave a link for the threaded inserts down below so you can go pick those up for your project. Makes it super easy for installing multiple different product types. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment if you have any ideas for future videos. Be on the lookout for new content on the channel, and we'll see you next time in the Builder Studio.